Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this video, I am using this Beautiful Life bundle by Jessica Dunn, which is available on Pixel Scrapper. And I'm just starting here, taking a look through the pocket cards, and then I will add in my papers in the background. I don't usually think too much consciously, at least, about what colors are in my photos and what color kit I'm then choosing, because often, my photos are just from the week, so they're often pretty random. But sometimes, like this week, you can see there's a lot of blues, so I think that's what attracted me to this bundle by Jessica. A lot of those blues, and then also some of those corals I feel like are represented in the photos, so that kind of helped lead me towards choosing this bundle in this case, although I'm not always. Sometimes I just use a bundle because I feel like it and don't really care if it matches my photos. So, it's different every time. Here I'm just browsing through. She included some clusters in this bundle, which is nice because then it makes filling in some of these empty spaces quite quick and easy. Just drop and add a little shadow and you're all finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.